being pathetic, you're being resistant. And you're being resistant because it's confronting to look at yourself on video. The only reason I'm comfortable looking at myself on video is because of how much video of myself I've looked at. At a certain point, you just get desensitized to it. So the thing is, it doesn't get easier until you practice the practice of looking at yourself, practicing and noticing, oh, I don't, and then just learning, oh, it doesn't mean anything. It's just me in process. There's nothing, like, you could sit there and judge you, but is that useful? Probably not. So after you've practiced watching yourself long enough, you get desensitized to it. And you're just like, oh, yeah, that's just me in my practice. But it takes first, you have to practice recording yourself before you can practice looking at yourself. And if you're not even willing to make the recording, you're never going to be able to get through it. I can tell you, though, with 100% certainty, if you start practicing, it will get easier and easier and easier and easier and easier and easier. I'm not saying you're going to get to a place where you never judge yourself. But as with all practices, the practice of learning how to not judge yourself and to just assess with grace is itself a practice.